Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make fish and chips. For that I have fish, some tempura flour, mayonnaise, olive chop, parsley, Dijon mustard, fine chopped onion, fine chopped gherkin, lemon juice, 1 beer, pepper, salt and oil. First, I am going to marinate the fish with salt, pepper, lemon juice, parsley and little amount of tempura flour. Now, I am going to marinate the fish. So here we have tempura flour, which is from Japan and it has content a very low gluten. I'll add some into fish and flip it. Some salt, pepper, lemon juice, fine chopped parsley and Dijon mustard. Mix all together. And keep it into the fridge for at least 20 to 30 minutes. In the meantime, I am going to prepare tartar sauce for fish and chips. For that, I'll take one bowl and add some mayonnaise, little amount of Dijon mustard, fine chopped olive, fine chopped gherkins. Gherkins is a kind of pickled cucumber. Fine chopped parsley, fine chopped shallots, lemon juice and seasoning. Mix this properly. Make sure there are no lumps into it. My tartar sauce is done and I am going to keep aside. I am going to make beer batter. For that, I'll take one bowl, add tempura flour, parsley, pepper, salt, lemon juice and beer. Mix this gently. Make sure there are no lumps into the batter. My tempura batter is done. Now I am going to cook my fish. And place a pot. Add oil. For deep fry. Now I am going to take a fish and put into beer batter. Remove excess batter from the fish and keep it into a oil. Cook the fish until it's golden brown. Now I am going to flip the fish. As you can see, fish has got a very nice golden color. I'll cook this for another 2 minutes. Now I am going to take out the fish. For that I'll take one tissue paper and put over it so that it removes the excess oil. Now I am going to do plating.